Instead of waiting maybe 3 months for a new format part, we are now able to send him the file within 2 weeks. So we reduce the cycle time enormously. My name is Markus Schindler. I'm responsible and head of for the materials management here at Schubert. Schubert designs and builds packaging machines for the food industry, dairy industry, the pharma industry, and so on. So a lot of products from the supermarket get packed by a Schubert machine. The flexibility of our machines come through our tools. We set up tools on our robots, and the tools are as flexible as the product itself. For example, if you have a machine that's packaging chocolate bunnies on one side of a year, and then on the other half of the year, chocolate Santa Clauses, and you only have to replace the tool. Originally, we started delivering the parts as a conventional part. We manufactured them here, we post-processed them, and then we packed them and shipped them to our customers. And the problem was that sometimes the whole process was longer than in a conventional process. We had to think about how we can send files instead of the whole material to our customer. The customer should not slice anything or should do anything in a software, just click and print. As we began with thinking about sending certified printing jobs to our customers, I searched for the easiest to use printer with the highest reliability and the best quality, and there I found UltiMaker. Now our customer gets a 3D printer with his machine, and we connect the 3D printer with our digital warehouse. We slice the part with Cura and adjust all the parameters. We print the part out, we test it, and we save the parameters of the tested parts. And this certified printing job we upload on our digital warehouse. A digital warehouse is a storage of all virtual parts and all virtual certified printing jobs he has. Our customer is able to search for parts, he is able to store the parts digital, to print parts on demand from the digital warehouse direct to the connected printer. And the security is the most important thing. That's why we have an IoT gate direct at the printer. Second step is you can encode your certified printing jobs direct to the printer. When the customer wants a new format part for a new packed product, for example, he sends us a 3D model of the packed product, and from the 3D model we can design the new parts. After that we create the certified printing job, upload the certified printing job in his digital warehouse. After that he is able to produce it on demand. It's our task and our solution to help him that he is able to click and print.